Hey curls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to keep your curls at night, so make sure you don't go anywhere if you want to see how I maintain these curls. Okay, so this is me getting ready for bed. What you want to do is get your hair up in a nice scrunchie. You don't always have to use a scrunchie if you suffer really easily with kinks in your hair, but I like to use one. Get your headscarf tight around, flip your hair upside down and make sure you tie it at the back and let your hair just fall out at the front. This is just because my hair is a little bit too long to just sit in the headscarf, so I need like a bonnet to go over the top of it. So after this I'll put my bonnet on and make sure it's secured well and I don't have any sticking out the back or anything like that. And this just really helps because if you tie your hair on the top in a pineapple, you won't lay on any of your hair and squash your curls. So this is just the best way I find to preserve your curls at night and keep the shape. So this is me just taking it off in the morning. As you can see, my bonnet has stayed on overnight, which is a dream. This one always stays on, to be honest. But yeah, my curls are still looking pretty intact. This was only day one from my wash day, because I did actually wash it and define it all yesterday, and this is my day one hair. So literally, after I've taken my bonnet off, I just like to grab some oil just to scrunch out the cast from my hair so it's not too crunchy and it's a little bit softer. So I'm just using my Pattern Beauty oil. This is a jojoba oil blend, and I'll just smooth this along my hair strands, making sure that I try and break the cast of the gel from the day before. And getting some more oil because you can never have too much oil, in my opinion. Then after I've done this, I just like to shake my roots out a little bit just to make sure there's no like weird gaps in my hair, and just use my hands to get into the style what I want it in, really. There's not really a technique to this, but I just like to separate my curls a little bit and just get them in the right place. And yeah, this is my overall look, guys. Hope you are liking this video, and if you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.